Edelbrock. I've been waiting for it. Ah, muscles. Ah!
Oh,
It is
that's
going
awesome.
in my room.
Hold on, hold that up again. Let's see that. Yes, that's killer.
Banner, 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 banner. Blanket or banner? It's a mat.
What do you mean a mat?
It's a mat. It's a work mat.
Let me see this.
It's like a yoga mat.
Oh, that's awesome for down on your feet, under your feet. I feel bad stepping on it though, don't you? I guess not.
Oh, I got socks. Socks, socks, socks. Ooh, I like those. Those are cool. More socks. More socks. And then we got some shirts. Ooh, we got a lot of shirts. There's still more.
Oh, goodness gracious, look at all these shirts.
Oh, that's cool. Look at
Open one.
that.
Yeah, put one of those on.
Oh,
Let's see the back. Oh, that's cool.
that's really cool.
Nice.
I got another banner. We already have one. It's already up in my room on the ceiling. We can put it on the gas tank. The tank. Not the gas tank, the tank. It's gonna go right there. Another shirt. That's it.
Fantastic.
Thank you, Edelbrock. It's the second box that Edelbrock sent me. And it sounds like a lot of parts. It looks like a lot of parts.
Oh my gosh, look at all these gasket kits. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Hold on. Hold on, hold on.
Here's a letter.
Okay, open the letter. Holy cow. That's incredible,
That's
right?
insane.
That's like, oh my gosh, new accelerator pumps.
Yeah.
This is like everything that you need. What does it say?
Hope you find some of these things useful. Couple notes on each. I had a lot of gasket and parts from 1477 rebuild kits. Hopefully you can piece them together and make a few kits out of it. I had some linkage rods and some miss items that are the tackle box. The rods and jets you can separate into parts. Hopefully there will be some use for you. If you come across anything else you might be able to use, please don't hesitate to reach out and I'll see what I can do. All the best, Brian.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. Look at that. Oh, all new jets and rods. Look at that.
Yeah, it's
How much do we need those?
A lot.
All the time. Oh my gosh, right. This is like jackpot, man.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's just all the like. That's crazy.
All the needles and seats.
Yeah, that's insane.
Wow.
Crazy. Thank you so much. While I was editing, I looked this up. It's not a floor mat. It's for the parts. Where it goes up here on the bench. I'm sorry, Edelbrock.